In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online using Quick AI. The best thing is, we're going to be using an AI app that literally just came out this week. And I am going to show you how to make money with this simple few steps. And the best thing about this is you don't need your own website to do this, because I do know a lot of people don't like creating website. It can be pretty complicated when they're trying to make money online. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to make money online using Quick AI. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So it's this thing right here. It is called Introducing Printify AI Image Generator, and as we go ahead and see right here, who can use this feature? It's for beginners, more experienced merchants who can't have access to expensive software, or for those who are just really creative. And this AI tool is very useful because all we need is an idea. There's no design software required, and there's endless design possibilities. As we go ahead and see right here, you could just go ahead and pick any product using Printify. Just go ahead and select AI image generator, and as I've tried this out, it is really scary because the AI is moving so fast. We can now go ahead and do a bunch of things using AI software. And as we logged in their site right here, we can go ahead and see a bunch of products that we could go ahead and design. For example, you have your mental ornaments right here. I know that Christmas is over, but still you could go ahead and design something like this, maybe for Easter or maybe for your Valentine's. Just go ahead and click on see more right here, and you will be presented with multiple things to go ahead and design. For example, you have your t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, phone case, magnet stickers, and blankets. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on any of this thing right here. Let's just go ahead and select this one, phone cases. And after selecting your phone cases, you will now go ahead and select which one you want. For example, you have your tough cases, you have your tough phone cases, you have your MagSafe, you also have your slim phone, or you have your clear case or something like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and select the best seller right here, and after selecting it, you will now be presented with this page right here where there are multiple descriptions talking about this specific product. If you don't know what Printify is, this is a company where people could go ahead and design their very own ideas. For example, you could go ahead and design your product and you could go ahead and post it somewhere, maybe in your local store, and after posting it there, people could now go ahead and order that specific product, and they will go ahead and send that specific product to the customer. Now, you will not go ahead and hold any stock of this specific product. What this company will do is they will send that specific product or your design to that customer who purchased online. So moving on, just go ahead and click on start designing right here, and we will be presented with this thing where we could go ahead and choose our design. You have your device, AI image generator, you have your custom text, you have your stock images, and you have your drives right here, or you could just go ahead and hire professional designers on Fiverr. And we are here for AI image generator, and it will take you to this prompt page right here. As you can go ahead and see, we have a bunch of examples. We have a woman in the gas mask, you have your robot riding in a unicycle, you have your pyramids, and you have this black and white photo. So the only thing left to do here is to go ahead and style your art. You have your anime, photographic, digital art, comic book, fantasy art, and more. Just go ahead and choose your preferred image right here. I am just going to go ahead and select photographic right here to make it more realistic, I guess. And after that, you will now go ahead and type your prompt. Now, you want your prompt to be specific. For example, you want a pyramid like this one, an angle shot of the pyramids from the desert floor with camels and nomads in the foreground and bright blue sky in the background, in style of pointillist painting. So I want you to be very specific when typing out your prompt in order for the AI to recognize what you are visualizing. For example, we are going for an ocean view or something like that. Maybe there's island in the middle. Just go ahead and type your prompt right here and you should be good to go. So this is what I came up with, minimalist photo of an island and ocean around it, and there are multiple mountains in the background. I'm just gonna go ahead and type multiple right here, and after typing your prompt, As you may know, when you are typing your prompt, it can go ahead and get very complicated or it can get confusing at times. Sometimes people are even offering courses on how to go ahead and generate your very own and very perfect prompt. Now that is not needed for this AI right here, because what you can do is you can go ahead and click enhance prompt right here and it will instantly enhance your prompt. As you can see, it will just go ahead and load in, and I have minimalist photo, island and ocean, mountains in background, landscape and photography. As you can see, it divided all of the description into these smaller parts. You have your minimalist photo, you have your islands and ocean in there, and you also have your mountains in background. Well, if you don't like this prompt right here, you could still go ahead and adjust it by clicking on the next prompt, or you could just go ahead and click on restore original prompt and it will go ahead and type out this new prompt. Now we have minimalist photo, island, oceans, mountains in background, landscape and photography. I'm just gonna go ahead and go for the original enhanced prompt right here, which is minimalist photo, island and ocean, mountains in background, landscape and photography. We're now going to go ahead and generate this photo. Just go ahead and click on the green big button right here and you should be good to go. So right now we have our design right here. The only thing left to do now is to go ahead and click your preferred design. I'm going for the first one right here and it will take us to our designing page. And now as you can see, this is where we could go ahead and edit our photo. We could go ahead and edit its width, height and more. You can also go ahead and rotate it, and we can also resize it by dragging on this thing right here. And we could also go ahead and edit the background color. For example, you want gray one, you want pink ones, you could just go ahead and do that. And you could also go ahead and create patterns right here. If you want this pattern where it repeats the photo, you could just go ahead and do that and drag your photos to your preferred location. But I'm just gonna go ahead and scale this until it perfectly match our template right here. And as you can see right here, this is just the first design. You can also go ahead and add another design by clicking on the add design right here. It is the same process. Just go ahead and click this and click on image AI generator, and you can go ahead and resize it and fit it towards our template right here. So now that you have your preferred design, just go ahead and click on save product and it will take you to your shop. So this is the front and back, and you have your context right here, iPhone 15, you have your glossy and your matte. You also have your product description right here where you could go ahead and answer the description of that specific product. And you also have your variants, and of course, you should just go ahead and connect a store. For example, you could just go ahead and connect your product into a website called Etsy. And as we can see right here, Etsy sells a bunch of things. You have your necklaces and more, but the design that we are looking for is stickers. So if you go ahead and search stickers right here, you could go ahead and see a bunch of ideas or a bunch of designs that people are selling. I am going to go ahead and click for this one right here, and this one is selling for this price right here, and you could just go ahead and get the design by buying this specific product. So you could just go ahead and connect your shop into a website like this, and of course you have more of these shops where it can directly connect to Printify, and Printify will just send that product to that said customer. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.